Hello guys, this is Rahul Lodi. Welcome to your favorite channel. Now today we will learn how to delete record. As we have seen in our previous video, add record, edit record and list record. So if you want to see all these videos, so you can refer my previous video link as I will provide you in my description on delete record. So now we will delete record today. So firstly, we will go to list.php page and create a link here, delete, and here in href we will pass on action file name delete.php and pass a variable id which row we have to delete. Now we will create delete.php file. So just create delete.php. As we have created our dbconfig file previously, so now we will just include here php file and we will print here or post data. So here you can see this guys, we have a delete button. Now we will click this, so it redirect to the delete.php file page and we have got id here. So here we are getting this id by get method, so we will get it by get method. Pass id. Just stick with this. So here you have got a id. Now we will delete record according to this id. So we will write here our query sql equal to delete from your table name. So what's your table name? Table name is registration. So just copy this, where here where id is equal to $id. Now we are comparing this $id to id and this id is this column name. Okay, so we will match the id from this column and delete this record. So here if dollar connection query dollar sql return true, so we will show record deleted successfully, else echo record not deleted. Okay, now we will hit again delete button. So here we have got record delete successfully from ID 2. So now we have to redirect our page from this page to our list page. So we will pass header location list.php. So after delete the record, we will redirect to list.php page. Now we will see this again. So here you can see this, guys, there is no any record now because we have deleted all the records. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.